This mini lesson, we are learning about value and perspective. Value is an element of design which there's the lightness and darkness of a color. Perspective is a way of drawing to show distance on a flat surface. So we are practicing on a small half sheet of paper, making three-dimensional boxes, all converging and vanishing here at a vanishing point. So our first step will be to put the horizon line in. And we are using a ruler and a regular pencil. The next step, we're going to put a vanishing point where all horizontal lines converge, and that vanishing point can really be anywhere on your paper. I'm going to put it here in the middle on the horizon line. Your next step is to make two squares, and you can do that with a ruler or you could free draw that. I'm going to go ahead and put those in very quickly with a ruler. And they could be rectangular or they could be squarish. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to put another one over here. One of these will be used with regular pencil, and the other one we are going to actually be using colored pencil, but you can try it with crayon. Now the next step is to take the ruler, and you have to use a ruler for this step, and you need to connect your corners to the vanishing point. So you're using the ruler as the straight edge. It will not have that three-dimensional illusion if you try to free draw it in. So I'm starting at this corner and making a line converging at that vanishing point, and I will repeat that step with this corner, drawing the vanishing line to the vanishing point. I'm going to do it with this corner. And for our purposes today, I am skipping the fourth corner because if I do that, I will have to draw through my rectangle. So I will repeat these steps with this rectangle, using the ruler as the straight edge. Make sure that ruler is straight and totally lined up. Now, I have the perspective part of the project done. So you have the illusion of 3D boxes coming from a vanishing point or converging at a central point on the horizon line. Now we're going to add value, which is the lightness or darkness of a color. We're going to experiment with colored pencil, and we are experimenting with regular pencil. This will advance the look, the illusion of three-dimensional. It's actually really easy. You want to be dark here at the vanishing point, and you want to lighten as you get toward the front of the box. I am trying to color in such a way that I am parallel with this line of my box. Trying to stay in the lines, and I can lighten up. The object is to have it nice and smooth. So I'm lessening the pressure on my pencil. And if I need to fill in a few little gaps like that, I can. I just try to avoid making up and down lines on that side. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that step here. And I want these lines to go up and down parallel with the side of the box. It's not a square anymore, it's more of a box. I'm lightening my pressure, and I may end up having to kind of fill in these little areas where I didn't go all the way down. And if I feel like I need to darken that, I want to try layering some more colored or some more graphite pencil right on top, I can do that. Now I'm repeating that step over here. I'm just going to take any color I'm going to use more of a red. Pressing hard toward the vanishing point, darker value, and easing up on the pressure of the colored pencil as I come toward the front of the box. And if I need to layer a little bit more, a darker value there, I can, and then just continue easing that pressure. Now I'm repeating that step on top, and I'm remembering that I need to go this direction with it because it needs to be parallel with the front of the box. And if I need to layer colors like that, I can deepen this color by adding purple into my red. And I'm pressing pretty hard here to create a darker value and easing up on the pressure as I come forward. And I can turn my paper a little bit and repeat that step for the side. Pressing harder toward the vanishing point and easing up on the pressure as I get toward the front of the box. And so there's a 3D illusion on a flat surface of paper by using value, which is the lightness or darkness of a color, and using perspective, which is a way of drawing to show distance on a flat surface.